Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss some solve problems of probability. So already my lecture 1 I have discussed the theoretical concept of probability and its definition and its properties. Okay? So ami aji exercise korim, textbook exercise korim. Probability class 10 lecture 2. So amak problem ki dia ase. That janar agote what is the definition of PE? Everybody must have to remember what is the definition of PE. What is PE? PE is equal to what? What? Number of outcomes favorable to E divided by total number of possible outcomes. This is the main definition. Saba every problem ot amar ei definition to lagi thakibo. P of E, PA ki bujai ase probability. E is nothing but an event. P of E is equal to number of outcomes favorable to E divided by total number of all possible outcomes. These are the main definitions of this chapter. Everybody must have to remember this definition. Okay, let's go to exercise number 1. So this is question number 1. We have to complete the following statements. Before going to solve this kind of problems, I have already told you to go the definition very clearly, which I have already provided in lecture number 1. If you go to the lecture number 1 video, then automatically you can solve this problem. তুমি যদি lecture 1 video to complete saisa or definition block bujibo try korisa, then you can automatically solve. Then what is probability of an event? I have written probability like that. PROB. Remember, probability I will write POB dot. Okay. Probability of an event E plus probability of an event not E is equal to this. What will be the answer? I have already P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. This is the answer 1. The probability of an event that cannot happen, which is not possible, that is impossible. Impossible. Cannot happen is what? Impossible. Sorry, cannot happen. The probability of an event that cannot happen, that is, such an event is called what? Impossible. Impossible event. And what is the probability of an impossible event? 0. That is not possible, which is not possible, that is known as what? Impossible. The probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. Similarly, the probability of an event that is certain to happen, that is sure event. Such an event is called what? Sure event. What is the probability sure event? 1 or 0, 1. No problem. The sum of probabilities of all elementary events of an experiment. Experimental elementary events bilakor sum of probabilities kiman hoy? I have already discussed E event P of E plus P of F such that this P of K is equal to what? Sum of elementary events probability is equal to kiman hob? 1. The sum of probabilities of elementary events. Tamane elementary events or যিমান বোৰ তুমি এক্সপেৰিমেন্ট লবা তাৰ probability বিলাকৰ কি হ'ব sum to 1 হ'ব then the probability of an event is greater than or equal to this and less than or equal to this from A to answer কোপা আহিব I have given this theorem 0 less or equal than P of E less or equal than 1 কি হ'ব probability of event that is greater or equal than 0 less or equal than 1. I have finished this. This is very easy problem. I have already told you to go through the definitions in details. Details definition black to be details janibo try koriba tetia eblak eko problem nai sob eblak all results are comes from the definitions of probabilities. Certain event, sure event, impossible event, random experiment. Okay, these are the main. So let's go to question number 2. So this is the question number 2. See, in question number 2, some experiments are given. There are experiments. You have to determine whether these are equally likely outcome. Explain. We have to explain. If yes, then explain. If not, then you have to also explain. There are 4 experiments we have given. We have to determine this is equally likely or not. So, question number 1. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not starts. Whether it is equally likely or not. So, কি হ'ব এতিয়া এখন গাড়ী এখন এজন ড্ৰাইভাৰ স্টাৰ্ট কৰিব চাইছে স্টাৰ্ট হ'বও পাৰে নহ'বও পাৰে is it equally likely absolutely not because start কৰিবৰ কাৰণে there are other many factors also চাবিটো ভালকে নাখাব পাৰে then battery বেয়া হৈ থাকিব পাৰে বেলেগ wire কিবা এডাল ডিস্টার্ব হৈ থাকিব পাৰে if the car is okay then it will be automatically start but engine or there are many difficulties in engine also engine or kiba problem there may be any problem in case of engine also so it is not equally likely it is not this is not equally likely understand you can write anything you can write there are many problems in engine also or there are problems in battery also therefore automatically it will not start that is not equally likely another experiment a player attempts to shoot a basketball he shoots or miss the shoot eta player shoot koribo bicharise shoot a basketball he or she miss the shoot what do you think is it equally likely or not is it no not at all again why the ball may be not fair this is the one of the reason because this is also not equally likely why the ball may not be fair number 2 whether it will shoot or not it depends upon the training of the players also is not it player to ঠিক হ'ব লাগিব ভাল হ'ব লাগিব তেতিয়াহে শুট কৰিব পাৰিব so it is not certain at all so therefore it is not equally likely again a trial is made to answer true false question the answer is right or wrong question to দুটা অপশন আছে এটা হৈছে right true or false sure হৈ আছে হয় true হ'ব নহয় false হ'ব yes equally likely coin eta toss koile ami head pabo paro tail pabo paro this is equally likely remember if you are tossing a coin then the two outcomes head or tail so these are equally likely similarly this is equally likely yes equally likely a baby is born it is a boy or a girl again it is obvious a baby is born he or she must be boys or girls hobo pare swali hobo pare lora hobo pare there are equally likely events there are equally likely outcomes so this is equally likely this is another very simple problem you can explain it so I have finished question number 2 let's go to question number 3 মই তিনটা question লিখি লৈছো now question number 3 It is very easy question. You go and try it. I have given you as a homework. Question number 4. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? Cannot be. Hobo nware. Ekita tomak answer dia ase. That koisa yare kuntu probability cannot be the probability of an event. Eta ghotonar probability hobo nware. Kuntu hobo nware? Hobo paribo yes. This is yes. 2 by 3. This is yes. This is no. Khele? Why? There is a negative sign. I have already told you. Probability of an event or answer kar মাজত থাকে 0 আৰু 1 or মাজত থাকে কিন্তু এটো কি আছে আগত মাইনাস চিন আছে so this is not a probability of an event that answer. Number 5. What is number 5? P of E দিয়া আছে not E আমাৰ ভ্যালুটো উলিয়াব লাগে. We know P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. I know P of not E is equal to 1 minus P of E. So 1 minus 0.5. 0.5. Then what is the answer? 1.0 or 0.05. 0. That is the answer. 5. 1. Oh, sorry. 5. This is 9. Sorry. 95. 0.95. This is the answer here. What's that? Sure. Finished? 3 go as a homework. 4. This is the answer. 5. This is the answer. Let's go to question number 6. Okay. This is the question number 6. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Bag to ki ase? Only lemon flavored. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. Monot rakhiba Maliniye eta bagot lemon flavored candy kesuman ase. Only bag to lemon flavored ase. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. Bag to swanai. Malini ahise bagor pra candy uliase. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy? Bag to ki flavored ase? Lemon flavored. Etia koise Maliniye orange flavored candy uliwar chance kiman? Is it possible? I think it is quite impossible because backtoot ki ase lemon flavored ase amak ki uliabo dese orange flavored ase say checks out. What is the probability? What is the probability? 0 because it is an impossible event. A lemon flavored candy next kodise the lemon flavored candy poor probability kiman? It is sure because the bag contains lemon flavored candy. So if anybody wants to take out lemon flavored, then they are sure he or she will get it. Then what is the answer? This is 0. This problem is based on impossible event and sure event. If you know the definition of impossible event and sure event, then you can find solution at any moment, at any time. There is no any problem. Two different things, lemon and orange. I think you cleared it. Okay. So let's go to. These are very easy problems. Therefore, I am doing some. I am solving these problems very fast. Actually. So this is question number 6. I have given you. So let's go to question number 7. So this is the question number 7. In question number 7, what we have given? It is given that in a group of 3 students, total number of students what? 3. The probability of 2 students not having the same birthday. Remember, the probability of two students not having the same birthday is what? 0.992. What is the probability that two students have the same birthday? Total number of students amak tinta ase tate koi dise je duta studentor birthday same nohar possibilities kiman 0.992. Eta tuma hodise je what is the probability that the two students have the same birthday? Not same dia ase amik same uliam lage. Eta line ote etu onko solve koribo pari. Ichha kori. Event eta loi lwa solution. Let E put the event that two students do not have the same birthday. This implies number of outcomes favorable to E is equal to what? 0.992. Sorry. This will be what? This implies let E ki lekhiso ami the event that two events do not have the same birthday. Therefore, P of E is equal to 0.992. That is probability. Event lolo probability ulai goise. Then what is the probability that two students do not have the same birthday? Therefore, required probability is equal to 1 minus P of E. It was do not have the same birthday. It has same birthday for 1 minus 0.992. This is the answer. You go and minus it. Minus koi deba, answer pai jaba. Okay. Khali ata more dekhiba. Probability of two students is not having the same birthday. Nuha to dia ase. Ami ki koribo lage? What will you put is P of E. Same to same problem. Very easy problem. Eto moi P of dia ase. Or asteke moi eto ki kori disu? Ulai disu. Okay. So let's go to 8. Question number 8. What we have given? A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. So therefore, total number of balls is equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to what? A ball is drawn at random. A ball is drawn at random. From the back to par eta koi ball uli anise. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red and not red? Since a ball is drawn at and random, therefore the events are equally, therefore the outcomes are equally likely. This implies total number of possible outcomes is equal to 8. This is the main line you have to write. Since a ball is drawn at random, therefore it is given in the question, ball is drawn. Eta koi ball uli anise back to more rakhiba. Gotike all the outcomes lekhibo pare kisumane events lekhibo. Outcomes are equally likely. Therefore, total number of possible outcomes kiman hoy gol? 8 hoy gol. Number 1 or ki lage? It is Z2 back to ball to anibo he ball to red hoar probability ami uliabo lage. Let E be the event of getting a red ball. This implies number of outcomes favorable to E is equal to a red ball keta ase 3 theta ase. Therefore required probability P of E is equal to, what is the definition? Number of outcomes favorable to E 3. What is the total number of possible outcomes? 8. This is the answer. Let E be the event of getting a red ball. Dhori loiso ball to tana ball to amar red ball var ghotona bole dhori loiso. Tamane therefore number of outcomes favorable to E hoi gol kiman 3, because there are 3 red balls. P of E is equal to 3/8. Etu hoise ball to ronga hoar probability. Eta toma ki koise? Not red. Eta line of onko. Number 2. What will be the number 2? Probability of not getting a red ball is equal to 1 minus P of E. 1 minus 3/8, that is 5/8. Probability of not getting a red ball is equal to red ball hoar probability etu asile ami not getting etu ekor pra etu b koi disu kuntu ahise P of E plus P of not E is equal to what? 1. Ekhinda moi tumak koi thobo bisaru problem bor tumalke saba belak belak ketapot belak belak dhorono solve koi dibo. In various books you will find different types of solution, but the main thing is same. Now bhabiba ago moi bhulke koi diso boli. This is the perfect answer and perfect technique to solve such type of problem. Let us take another problem. This, I have already told you in definition that this chapter belongs, the outcomes are equally likely. In all problems, you will see the outcomes are equally likely. So let's go to problem number 9. Okay, this is the question number 9. A box contains 5 red, 8 white and 4 green marbles. There are 3 types of marbles in the box. One marble is taken out from the box at random. Again, one ball is drawn at random. Therefore, all outcomes are equally likely. This is clear. And what is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white, not green? Red, white, not green. I will find green, therefore not green ulai jabo amar. Ki koise yate? Total number of marble is equal to 5 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 17. There are total number. One marble here, one marble is drawn at random. This implies all outcomes are equally likely. This is the line you have to return. Okay, one marble. This implies total number of possible outcomes is equal to 17. This is the one marble is drawn at random, therefore all outcomes are equally likely. What is the answer? What we have to find? What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red? Let R be the event of getting a red ball. This implies number of outcomes favorable to R. Red ball keta ase 5. Therefore, P of R is equal to 5 by 70. This is the answer. I think there should not be any doubt. Okay, I have already solved the previous number problems. That is problem number 8 remains. This is the same. And number 2, white. This is same. Number 2, let W be the event of getting white balls. This implies number of outcome favorable to W is equal to white. White ball keta ase 8. Therefore, PW is equal to 8 by 17. Same answer. P means probability. And number 3 is not green. To me direct not green uliabo para, otherwise green boli dhori lua. What is PG uliai lua? Green boli, then not green uliai diba. Keneke uliabo pari? Yate. Number 3, I will find what is the probability of getting a green. Suppose let Z be the event of getting a green ball. Therefore, number of outcomes favorable to Z is equal to what? Is equal to what? 4. P of Z what? 4 by 17. We have to record not green. Therefore, P of not Z. This is the answer. Minus code. This is the answer. Around say like not green uliai leso tarpra not green uliai deso. So this is the another problem. Ekdom easy ebilak problem. Yete mon koribologya nai hoise one marble is taken out from the box at random. Therefore, one marble is drawn at random. Therefore, all outcomes are equally likely. This is the answer. Therefore, total number of possible outcomes is equal to 17. Okay. Again, let's go to problem number 10. So, okay. This is the question number 10. A piggy bank contains 150 coins, 50 1 rupee coin, 20 2 rupee coins and 10 5 rupee coins. So from first line what I have got, total number of coins is equal to what? 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10. Then what is the total number of coins? 180. This is the total number of coins we have. That is in piggy bank. Then if it is equally likely that one of the coins will be fell out when the bank is turned upside down. The bank to jodi upside down hoy, turn into upside down hole all the coins are equally likely. It is equally likely. Here, all the outcomes are equally likely. It is given in the question paper. Therefore, total number of possible outcome is equal to what? 180. Now, question number 1. What is the probability? We have to determine the probability that the coin will be a 50 rupees coin, will not be a rupees 5 coin. Let E the event will be a $50 coin. Event will be a 50 coin. Guess implies number of outcome favorable to E. 50 coins keta ase? 50 coins 100 ta ase. Therefore, P of E is equal to 100 by 180. That is 1 by 80. This is the answer number 1. What is the question number 2? Will not be a rupees of 5 coin. Will not nuhua to level lage. But nuhua to bad deso. Pothomote eto nisina ko same to me. Will to bad dipelai rupees 5 coin or karone uliba. Ki hobo 5 coin or karone? Let F the event will be a what? Rupees 5 coin. Therefore, favorable to F is equal to what? 5 coins keta ase? 10. Therefore, P of F is equal to 10 by 180. Okay? This is 1 by 18. Ama Q level is will not F is equal to 1 minus 1 by 18. This is the answer. These are very easy problems. These are totally easy problems. All the basis of one definition only. What is P of E? Number of outcomes favorable to E divided by number of outcomes favorable to total number of outcomes. This is the main definition. Nothing at all. You can go and check the problem very easily. These are the variable. Not, will not. I have converted into rupees of 5 coin as like number 1. Therefore, P of not F. This is the answer. So, today I have discussed up to question number 10. In my next lecture, I will discuss from question number 11. So, therefore, my dear student, if you like my video, then please don't forget to share and subscribe it. Okay? See you next time. Thank you very much.